Hey y'all, it's me, Judge Vonda Bailey. Many of you remember me from my show, Support Court with Judge Vonda B. Well, I am now the presiding judge of the 255th Family Judicial District Court in Dallas County. I wanted to check in and let you all know that I am up for re-election. I also want to invite you to follow me on social media if you don't already. On Instagram and TikTok, it is Judge Vonda B. And if you decide to follow me on Facebook, it is under my name, Vonda Bailey Shaw. I've been on the bench for the past 2.5 years. As with any other new job or new career that you may begin, there are some challenges that you face, as well as some accomplishments. So I just wanted to share with you a couple of the biggest challenges that I faced when I first took the bench. The biggest challenge I faced was the issue with the backlog. So the backlog just refers to a number of cases that are sitting on a docket that don't have any case settings. They have not moved through the litigation process at all. So the first thing I wanted to do was make sure that those particular cases had some movement on them so the people that are involved in those cases can have some sort of finality. I knew attempting to tackle my daily docket as well as the backlog docket was going to be very, very challenging. So what I did was incorporated a night court so the people on these cases could log on to Zoom and we could move their case through the next phase of the litigation process or bring it to some finality by signing a final order. So within 6 months of taking the bench, I was able to tackle that backlog. The next major accomplishment is in regards to the pro se litigants. Those are the people who represent themselves. Instead of putting you all on a docket where you would possibly have to sit here all day and wait till all of the attorneys had their opportunity to present their case in court, we made a day specifically for you. On every Wednesday, you are able to bring your paperwork into either my court or my associate judge's court down the hall. We will review it, either move your case through the next phase of the litigation process, or we could finalize it if everything was done properly. Now, reminder, my associate judge and I are not allowed to give legal advice because we are sitting judges. So what we did was allowed other attorneys to volunteer and come and help the litigants with their paperwork. One of the things that I really wanted to accomplish that I haven't been able to accomplish just yet is a clothing closet right here at the courthouse. So sometimes people come to court and they're not always dressed properly. So instead of sending them home when they've already taken off work, they've already had to pay for parking and have to start this process all the way over, I want to be able to have that resource right here in the courthouse so they can just go to the closet, grab something, come to court, have their day in court. The past 2.5 years have had its challenges, but it's also been very rewarding. There are a number of things you can expect from me. You can expect for me to be fair, follow the law, and allow you to be heard to have your fair day in court. I am asking you to re-elect me as your presiding judge of the 255th Family Judicial District Court in Dallas County. I am asking you to allow me to continue to serve and earn your support. Thank you.